Now these two extension pieces were made, and this table and the front tips is 1.5 to 1.7 millimeter diameter, and the hole, you see, you need to be put on this tips. This is table, so the hole need to be table, but it's difficult to drill a small table hole. I have to use 6 or 7 pieces of drill bits to drill the hole in step. So there is step inside, but there is no problem as long as it can be inserted to this length. And now I'm going to use the quick adhesive to apply on a little bit on this portion and just stick it to it for the time being. After I use it, I can remove it out easily, so don't put too much. The tools were made and glued. It was put this into the clip. Carefully take it out. Here, this was screwed up. And now I'm going to make another pieces which can put it into these pieces. This one is opening, this one is closing, and also this diameter are different, so I need to make another pieces. I don't want to modify this one because I need to do it again is to put this clip into it during assembly. A piece of steel rod. This is unused steel rod. I cut it into 2 halves. Piece of size of drill bits to drill the hole, so there is a stepwise table shape until it go to 25 millimeter depth. And here is the drill bits. And after the drilling, and you may need to use this type of taper cutter. This is for cutting the table holes of the plastic drill mold, the spur, and it's not much. And if you find you can insert these pieces into the correct depthness, then you don't need to use these tools to smooth out the step. Here, testing it with the tools, and it can be inserted to the correct depthness. It's okay. Tension rod will glue this into the piece. Now we'll use it. And here, the pin on the tips located on the E-ringed holes. It's very deep and difficult to see. Now I will take it out. After the first E-clip was taken out, this E-clip is locked in this slot inside there, and then I start to use some rod here to here, push here, and push the shaft with the pulley out from here. And afterward, you can see here, and you can see inside there are two bearings. This lower bearing is still locked by a large E-clip. As well here, another E-clip. First, take this E-ring out, and this extension must be built on the jointed area tiny, otherwise when using it, these two long pins will twist and cannot perform one weld twist. That means this will cross with each other, so it should not be too long, just enough. For this, I will shorten it for 20 millimeter. Finally got this clipped out, and I use these tools. This spring clip is very strong, so when I use this one, this not work very well, because this will twist. Actually, if I the problem is I glue too little here. Actually, I need to glue all the way down into the hole. Then this will stronger. Anyway, I managed to take this out, and the two bearings inside there, I will push it out.